Hey everyone, welcome back to the Better Arizona Show. I'm Sarah Carlstrom. If you have dentures or if you know someone who's had dentures, you've probably heard the horror stories. That is because dentures have been made the same way for the past 100 years, meaning really not a whole lot has changed. Until now, there's new technology that's making the whole thing completely different. I've got Dr. Joe with me from Global Dental Science, and this is a big deal for a lot of people.
Yes, it is. It's amazing because we have this digital denture where we make it on the computer and it's precision milled, and so we get a custom fit which fits precisely. Patients love it.
Okay, so let's go back kind of to the beginning. About 5 million new people are getting dentures each year. About 40 million Americans wear dentures, so it affects a lot of people. If technology has been the same for the past 100 years, what has that meant? I mean, these were handmade dentures?
Yes, handmade. They harbored bacteria, a lot of problems with the dentures. They never really fit properly. They'd always slide around and cause sore spots. But because now we do it on the computer, it resolves all those problems. Okay,
because I'm going to go over that step by step, because if you've worn dentures and if you've had pain, it's hard to eat, it's uncomfortable, it's just not a pleasant experience. But now this new technology is changing that completely. So what is different? You're using digital technology.
Yes, we take an impression, we scan it, put it in the computer, and we design the denture on the computer. From there, we mill it out of a solid core puck of acrylic that is antibacterial, no bacteria can grow in it. And because we mill it out, it is the precise fit of how the impression was made. And so there is no discrepancy. It fits the patient precisely.
Okay, I want to talk about fit, but I want to talk about bacteria, because the old way, bacteria was a big problem because it would get in and what would happen?
Yeah, well, basically, the old dentures were very porous, so they'd harbor bacteria. There's no way to clean out those, bubbles full of bacteria. But because of ours using 15 to 20 tons of pressure to make our puck before we mill it, there's no way bacteria can get inside our denture.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so precise fit, though, that's probably what most people care about. So you can wear them, and what does that mean to the person who's living that every day?
Well, it means that they can eat, they can chew, they can talk without worrying about them falling out. That's always a fear of many people wearing dentures, is that they're just going to fall out when they're doing daily things.
Okay, so if you already have dentures, you have the problems that we're talking about. Would you recommend getting the new ones?
Yes. Well, here's the thing. People need dentures every 5 to 7 years, so most likely they need a new pair anyways. And I would definitely recommend coming in for a free consultation, and they can hear more about our denture. But because of the benefits of our denture, they'll of course want to.
And there's some other benefits too, because it's digital. Now, a lot of times with some of the elderly folks that have dentures, sometimes they get lost.
Yeah.
In the old way, it would take forever to get a new set.
Yeah, you'd have to do 6 more appointments, but with our denture, it only takes 2 appointments. And then after you get done making your first pair of dentures, we have it stored on the computer. We can click a button and send you a new denture immediately. No more impressions, no more time in the dental chair.
So this is really a really big deal for those of you at home who, like I said, either have dentures, need new ones, or know someone who's having problems with their dentures. Here's another thing. Global Dental Science is offering a fantastic offer. They're offering a free consultation and a free CT scan, which usually runs about $500. And what will that CT scan do?
It will help show you if you're a good candidate for our dentures and if you're a good candidate for implants, which helps lock the denture down on even more so.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Just amazing. So you don't have to sit and suffer with your dentures. There's new technology. Technology is changing everything out there. And you can also get this great offer of a free consultation and a free CT scan. And to do that, all you have to do is call 480-275-6284. That's 480-275-6284. Well, thank you so much.
Nice
meeting you. And the Better Arizona Show will be right back.